So over here you can see that I have a video titled Benefits of Family Travel. And I'm just going to go around and say benefits of travel for families. So let me just go ahead and then rename this. And this is simply how you rename out a project. So apart from that, what you can also do is, let's say, for example, change the location of the file. So let's say, for example, I may have this file stored somewhere in Google Drive. And if you want to move it, you can go around onto File and then go to Move. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So you have your Google Drive opened up right here. So it's under Vids Export. So let's say, for example, I'm going to create a new folder right here. So Benefits of Travel Families is here. So let me just go around and say Project Files right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it created a folder right here called Project Files. So I can simply go ahead and move it in right there. And that is how you can rename out your project and then move your project files inside of Google Vids. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.